cook something for me eat, you know. If people never like it, never not. You know, I cook it for them neither, but if they see it and like it, spaghetti, you know, everybody know about spaghetti. I believe so. Everybody, people don't know about spaghetti, but me know you did with minced beef or nothing. Some people use it with minced beef. Me not use it with minced beef. Tomato, me I use it with little tomato sauce and maybe some little cabbage too, you know. We'll see how it work out. We'll see.
We'll see. I'm always impressed, even if it seems something simple. If you can impress me with a can of beans, I'm sure you can impress with some pasta, basic pasta, marinara, pomodoro, pasta pomodoro.
Some tomato, fuck it up a little more. Cause a long time I don't eat it, you know, but when it prepare good, and like how me hungry now, easy to get fucked up, you know, get mash up with me, you know. Eating, man, fast, so when it's cold, it's not good to eat, you know, man, so nah run. We also eat it first time, you know, with minced beef. One time I don't like it, but after that, nah. Eating a red meat, man, so.
Yeah, you don't touch it usually.
So. But first time I mash him up wicked, man, with tomato and all them spaghetti, tomato, red meat, mix up, those situation, you know? For crunch, I know what you. But I'm glad I try out everything, because yesterday I try out African food, you know?
Yeah, that looked cool, man.
Yeah, I like it. But I don't like the whole heap of thing what they put in it, but maybe I eat it with the bread and the, like the rice thing, you know? Yeah, man.
Some good Ethiopian food you had from
yesterday and drink some red stripe beer.
Yeah, it's cool. You set up all the chairs in the river.
Yeah.
Chilling in the river.
Yeah, everybody relax. Come at the Holy River. Best river, man. Iron River, you know. Rolling River, you know.
Iron River, Running River, Unruly River. Rolling River, I've heard it called too. All kinds of names.
But I Rolling River in here, but Unruly is put up there, Unruly. Unruly bar, you know, it's the Unruly River. Even though it's a Rolling River, it's really name, because when it come down, it's rough, you know, it roll. Oh, boom, stone, you know. You have to be a shooter, swim, foot when water, you know. Come from bush and river come down and make a day. And the thing you have to do, pushing from unruly, there's a go cross, just so you know. And take the whole of that side there. So till I come from that side there over here, so, you know. Pure swimming night, you know, come down, you know. Shove on myself, where I push on myself across here. And then I come from the side of the river, you know. Now I go from that side, you know. And river that. Do some serious swimming in the water, you know, man, too. River water, me I come down with this come home, me this so I can't go back out to go sleep. I thought when me go cross. First rain and fall and me have girl over this side and me yard. And me come in against him when the rain and fall. Well, if I have a tree I have to put rope and we swing we come home. I don't got a girl at your yard there wait for you, man. No kids, nothing. Come hook me up, you know. But track the bush I come from, you know, strong like hell. And do some beer swimming, brother. Pan this earth already gone. Swim all over, swim far, far out there, far. That nobody see me again. And then I drink all white rum, you know, man.
With boom?
No, just white rum with water. And smoke ganja. You know, I have nothing more on go run wild from riverside, man.
River flex.
Yeah, man. Swim. swim. Sometimes when you do swim down to bam. And many times I say fuck current is there where you just left from. Suppose that fucking catch you out there. Anyway, I come from, I left it there, you know. If I watch you, I see my going, my key around, go out here, you know. Current that, yeah? They say, go give me a boat. You trip to that place, you know, I have nothing to do, current gone with you. And your boat. That's why I not too like check and see, you know. See good and it bad. See got riches. Treasure. Everything. So man, this kind of treasure go dump in the sea. Sooner or later you find it, may find it. Who knows who find it? Nobody knows. But you get that treasure. Maybe with some good, nice gold, rubies, diamond, or whatever. See rich. Trust me. Yeah, man. See, not put nothing in there dirty, you know. Everything will come out, you know. And one leaving I see. Have to go out. Tomorrow I see more sauce up, I buy 2 sauce up. So I go right in there tomorrow. Out of white sauce is way, but I'm frightened for them. Don't throw a fuck with on them, you know, they're not nice like them, you know. Like carbine, alum, something. When they we eat, me and Ratty arrange and we get fuck. Ratty vomit me sick about 2 weeks before you come to Ras.
Oh yeah? Damn.
Yeah. I say I don't like people coming in the yard and me sick, you know. Anyway, me tell myself, you know what I'm going to do? I don't have no green one, but I have dry herb. Buy that portion of dry herb with some fucking bitter surcy.
It's like the super bitter one we had the other night.
Yeah, man.
The powerful one with the ginger.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Then something that Mokko like.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah, man. And from that, which is me alright, you know. But to the end of the day, I'm going to go back down so I don't go drink. Sun blazing hot, go drink some fuck. Sun temperature water and blah blah blah. That's good.
Get a jar of sweeties?
I really got that sweetie, man. And drink some water. Well, enjoy. Every time I say, oh, I got Spliff, I need this.
Hey, Keto!
Hey!
Now, if you're wondering what all that barking is, well, that barking is Keto. If you're wondering what the whining is, I'll show you. There's a surprise addition to the yard today, out of nowhere. Not you. Not you. There's a new puppy. This little one. You're very cute, but you're very loud. I don't know your name yet either. You're cute, but you need to calm down. And it might be your first day away from mama, so you're stressed, but you just chill, okay? We got you some water. Oh, you drank all your water, or spilled it. Let's get Puppy some water. I'll bring you some water, Puppy. I don't know. This puppy's just going off today. It's very hard to film anything on the yard. But, what can you do? Maybe this will make him quiet. Maybe.
Oh, I don't know.
We'll try. You sound like you're laughing half the time, puppy. Here, have some water. And take it easy. Just chill. Just chill. Just chill. Everything's okay. Well, I don't know if that's gonna work either, but it was worth a try. So far. Oh.